Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina will leave Dhaka for Delhi on the 21st June on a two-day state visit at the invitation of her Indian counterpart Narendra Modi. This will be the first bilateral visit by any head of government to India after the BJP formed its government for the third consecutive term. This will be Sheikh Hasina's second trip to India's capital in less than 15 days, preceding Prime Minister Narendra Modi's proposed visit to Dhaka. Sheikh Hasina also was among the dignitaries invited to Modi's swearing-in ceremony on 9 June. Source of the Foreign Ministry indicate that key issues on the agenda include cross-border connectivity initiatives, Indian investments in the Teesta Special Economic Zone management of the Mongla Port, and power trade. Additionally, discussions on the potential trade pact are expected. Over the past decades, numerous cross-border initiatives have been launched as a part of robust regional partnership plan.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।